All right, 2007 Mercury Montego. No crank, no start, got juice. I know that because everything's working. You know, got AC, you know, it's beeping, I can lock my doors, that kind of thing. So the fix, the first thing I did was try to like find a solenoid and like try to jump it, but I don't know, I couldn't find it. I guess I'm just stupid. But I come in here and one of these is a starter relay, if I'm not mistaken. Give them all a wiggle and a push, and let's see. Yep, there it goes. So, no crank, no start, no click. That's what I did, and that got me out of trouble. So, hope this helped someone. I gotta start doing these because I've had so many car issues that I've solved just randomly. But yeah, like I said, I hope this helped someone stuck somewhere. So, good luck.